Persian-style lamb chops, lamb shashlik. Prep time 8 minutes. Cook time 17 minutes. Yield 10 lamb chops. Description: juicy, tender and bursting with flavor, Persian-style lamb chops, lamb shashlik will be your new favorite way to make lamb chops. Ingredients: 1 cup yogurt, 1 medium onion, cut in large chunks, 4 cloves garlic, whole clove, 1/4 cup lemon juice from 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon ground saffron, 1 tablespoon hot water, 10 lamb chops. I use lamb loin chops, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Instructions: marinate the lamb. Combine the yogurt, onions, garlic, lemon juice, salt and pepper in your food processor and blend. Dissolve the ground saffron in the hot water. Add the saffron mixture to your food processor and continue to blend until sauce is yellow. Place the lamb chops in a large Ziploc bag or Tupperware container. Pour the marinade on the lamb chops and fully coat. Marinade in the fridge for at least 1 to 2 hours. Cook. Preheat oven to 400 F. Remove lamb chops from fridge and let it come back to room temperature while you are waiting for the oven to preheat. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Drain and transfer the lamb to the skillet. Discard the rest of the marinade. Sear the lamb, cooking for 3 minutes on each side. Transfer the lamb onto a lined baking tray. Roast for 10 minutes for medium rare or cook to your preference. Flip halfway through.